This is the saddest thing in the world. Pre-workout is almost empty. That's some good pre-workout. I drink coffee with a straw so it doesn't mess up your teeth. My wife got me on that. It's 6 in the morning. I'm going to train my first client of the day, my personal trainer client. Then I'm going to show 4 houses to a real estate client, and then I have another personal training client after that. So it's gonna be a busy day. Coffee is done, my client is trained. Now it's time to change and go show these houses. Let's go. All right, changed, another cup of coffee. Now I'm ready to go show my houses. Let's get it. This is the first showing. I'm waiting on my client to get here. And it's a pretty nice house. So this is what the kitchen and the stairs look like. All right, and this is the last showing for today. As you can see, it is a very open floor plan. It's got a pool in the back, if you can see it. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm having a meeting with a training client. And for my next meal, we got frozen berries, PB2 powder, protein powder, and we are going to blend it up. And that's the finished product. I'm gonna get my own at-home workout / rehab session in 3, 2, 1. So as a entrepreneur and being self-employed, you don't get paid by the hour. I worked for 2 years doing personal training in person, and I got paid per session by the hour. And I found out really quickly that you're not gonna make a lot of money doing that. You're only getting paid for the amount of hours that you're actually working. And unlike a lot of jobs, you cannot train 8, 9, 10 clients every single day. You can't work 8 hours straight in personal training a day. So I had to find a way to make money while I wasn't actually working. Now what I do with my online training business and with real estate, you don't exactly get paid for the hours that you work. You work 24/7. You're never not working. Like, I'm never technically not working. When I'm on Facebook, I'm trying to think of ads and graphics and things like that to do, and different marketing, all that stuff. When I'm working, if I had a regular 9 to 5, or if I had any type of a boss, I'd be getting paid for that. But I don't get paid for any of that. I only get paid for when I get a client in personal training and when I make a sale in real estate. It can wear on you mentally. You gotta understand that you're not necessarily gonna get paid for the hours worked. You get paid in big chunks, and then you have dry spells. So it's just part of the game. It's just part of the mindset. But I absolutely love it. Like, I would have it no other way. I cannot imagine myself having a 9 to 5. I don't want that. I like the risk. I like the unknown. I like not knowing, you know, what's gonna come next. I like the adrenaline rush I get in business. So I already know that this is for me. But with that said, it comes with a lot of stresses. It comes with a lot of anxiety. It comes with a lot of pressure. And and you just never know what's gonna happen. So you just gotta keep working and hope that the amount of time that I'm spending, even though I'm not getting paid on the clock, you just believe that God will continue, or I just believe that God will continue to bless that, and hopefully bless that more and more and more as the days, the weeks, the months, and the years come. So that's how I handle being self-employed and an entrepreneur life. It has its benefits, it has its downfalls, but it's definitely the life for me. Bae has dinner cooking. We got turkey, I don't even know if y'all can see it. We got turkey tenderloin, and she's gonna make, what are you making with it? Whatever I want. So donuts. It's gonna be like green beans and some other stuff like that. And we are watching One Tree Hill, which is my new addiction. And Bae wins Wife of the Year because she's so pretty. Look how pretty, seriously. Alright, so we just got to the dog park and Bella is about to lose her mind. She's so excited.
Look, it's a friend.
Bella.
A pet? Oh my gosh, it's like heaven.
Run and hide, you change your mind.